Ang challenge natin ngayon ay all answers start with letter D. Okay? Okay. As in Delta. Okay? Panalo ng 200 pesos. Una muna si Kai. Makinig. A series of thoughts, images, and sensations occurring in a person's mind during sleep. 5.
Dream.
Tama. 200. A domestic mammal of the family Canidae and the order Carnivora. 5. 4. Ano? Dolphin. Mali. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ano? Hindi mo alam. Donkey. Mali. Ano? Ikaw. Dove. Mali. Dove. Ikaw. Ulitin ko. A domestic mammal of the family Canidae and the order Carnivora. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Di ko alam. Letter D din yun, no? Di ko alam. Di alam. Ikaw. Dinosaurs. Mali. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Alam, madali lang yun. Ikaw. Mangula kayo. Ikaw. Duck. Ikaw. Ikaw. Dragon. Ano? Dog. Tama, dog. Dog. Tama. Ayaw mo? 200. Next. Jenna, makinig. The state or quality of being worthy of honor or respect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Ano? Daw. Ayun pa rin. Ikaw. Manghula. Wala. Ano? The state or quality of being worthy of honor or respect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Di alam. Ikaw. Despite. Mali. Despite. Ikaw. Dolphin. Ba't naging animals pa rin? Ikaw, Angel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alam, di alam. Ikaw. Disrespect. Mali. Incest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sagot. Kahit ano.
Duck.
Ano? Disobedient. Mali. Ikaw. Ay ka. 5, 4. Hindi ko alam. Ikaw. Determine. Mali. Ikaw. Nala. Distinguish. Mali. Ikaw. Divina. Letter D. Divina. Ikaw. Miko. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Di alam. Ulitin ko lang. The state or quality of being worthy of honor or respect. 5, 4, 3. Ano? Disrespect yung mali. Ikaw, ano sa'yo, Louie? 5, 4. Hindi alam. Ang tama sagot ay dignity. Jairo, makinig. A course consists of sweet foods such as cake, biscuit, ice cream, and possibly a beverage. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Di alam. Ikaw. Course consists of sweet foods such as cake, biscuit, ice cream, and possibly a beverage. 5. Course. 5, 4, 3, 2. Di alam. Ikaw. 5, 4. Drink. Mali. Drink. Ikaw. Now. Pass. Angel. Di alam. Diamond. Ikaw. Diabetes. Ikaw. Dentist. Mali. Dessert. A magical legendary creature that appears in the folklore of multiple cultures worldwide. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ang dali lang nun.
Ano?
Hindi alam, hindi alam, hindi alam. Ay, ikaw. Ikaw, Divina. Hindi alam, ikaw. Dragon, oh, alam na ni Pico, Dragon. 200.
Dragon!
Next. Madali lang to. A stocky seed or fruit-eating bird with a small head, short legs, and a cooing voice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Ano? Dove. Tama, dove. Louie, madali lang to. A book or electronic resource that lists the words of language typically in alphabetical order and gives their meaning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Hindi alam. Dali lang yun. Yun, dictionary. Tama. Si Kai. Kai, madali lang din to. A flat rectangular block as of wood or plastic whose space is divided into 2 equal parts that are blank or very usually from 1 to 6 dots arranged as on dice faces.
Dice.
Hindi, mali. Dice faces, mali. Ikaw. 5, 4, Domino, tama. Domino. Nas nagulat pa. Domino. Ganun, napakadali na tayo. Posible hindi mo malaman. A qualified practitioner of medicine. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Loading. Ikaw. Doktor. Chris, madali lang din to. The basic monetary unit of the US, Canada, Australia, and certain countries in the Pacific, Caribbean, Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. Go. Dominican, mali. Dollar. The practice of training people to obey rules or a code of behavior. Madali lang yan. 5. Discipline. Tama, discipline. Next. JB. Ewan ko lang pag di mo nasagot to. Napakadali nito. A small model of human figure, typically one of a baby or girl, used as a child's toy.
Dal.
Dal. Napakadali nito. Take a liquid into the mouth and swallow. 5, 4, 3, drink. Tama. Tama, 200. Next. The only gem made of a single element, it is typically about 99.95% carbon. Go, madali lang yan. 5, 4, 3, Diamond, tama. Tama. Next. Swerte ni Miko, napakadali. A one-piece garment that covers the body and extend down over the thighs, legs, worn typically by women and girls. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi na sagot. Go. Dress. Next. Last two. Last na lang, last two. Makinig. Louie. A group of species of water birds, relatively small in size and with shorter necks, and their close cousins of swans and geese. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Madali lang yun. Wala, hindi alam. Ikaw, Jenna? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi rin alam. Ikaw, Kai, madali lang yun. 5, 4. A group of species of water birds, relatively small in size and with shorter necks, and their close cousins of swans and geese.
Dog.
Duck! Mali! 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 Ikaw, ano? Duck! Duck! Oh, last one na, last one. A hinge or otherwise movable barrier that allows ingress into egress from an enclosure. 5, 4, 3, ha? Tama! Bye-bye!
Bye!